Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to the stunning island of Mallorca, one of Spain's Balearic gems. Known for its beautiful beaches, charming villages, and rich history, here are 10 must-see places you shouldn't miss when visiting Mallorca. Let's get started! First up is Palma de Mallorca, the island's vibrant capital. Explore the magnificent Palma Cathedral, stroll along the historic streets of the Old Town, and visit the Royal Palace of La Almudena. Don't forget to enjoy a leisurely walk along the picturesque marina. Next, we have the Serra de Tramuntana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This mountain range offers breathtaking views, hiking trails, and charming villages like Valldemossa and Daya. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Valldemossa is a picturesque village nestled in the Tramuntana Mountains. Known for its stunning landscapes and historic charm, visit the Royal Charterhouse, where composer Frédéric Chopin once stayed, and wander through the quaint cobblestone streets. Take a scenic train ride from Palma to Sóller, a beautiful town surrounded by orange groves and the Tramuntana Mountains. Explore the town's vibrant market, ride the vintage tram to Port de Sóller, and relax by the seaside. Cap de Formentor, located on the northern tip of the island, offers some of the most spectacular views in Mallorca. Drive along the winding roads, stop at the iconic lighthouse, and enjoy the panoramic vistas of the Mediterranean Sea and rugged cliffs. Step back in time with a visit to Alcudia Old Town. Wander through the narrow, cobbled streets. Admire the well-preserved medieval walls and visit the bustling market. It's a great place to soak up the island's rich history and culture. CalaDOr is a charming resort town on the southeast coast of Mallorca. Known for its beautiful coves and crystal-clear waters, it's perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing on the beach. Don't miss the stylish marina and its waterfront restaurants. Explore the enchanting Cuevas del Drac, a series of underground caves near Porto Cristo. Marvel at the stunning stalactites and stalagmites, and enjoy a boat ride on the underground Lake Martel, one of the largest subterranean lakes in the world. Porto Poyensa is a picturesque coastal town with a relaxed atmosphere. Stroll along the Pine Walk Promenade, relax on the sandy beach, and enjoy the waterfront cafes and restaurants. It's an ideal spot for a peaceful getaway. Last but not least, Sa Calobra is a hidden gem located at the end of a winding mountain road. Visit the stunning Torrent de Paredes Gorge, swim in the crystal-clear waters, and soak up the dramatic scenery. It's a truly unforgettable experience. And there you have it, the top 10 must-see places in Mallorca. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, this beautiful island has something for everyone. Which place are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore things to do and get hotel deals. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next adventure.